Hey guys and welcome. Let me show you a new aiomatic feature which will allow wpForo integration. So aiomatic can be integrated with wpForo. wpForo is a free plugin which can create forums and dashboards and on your site, so it can create similar forums. This is an empty testing forum which I have here on my site, where I will show the forum integration of aiomatic. So I created this testing forum in the forums of wpForo. I have here this testing forum, and also I don't have any topics yet. I will create topics and replies using aiomatic. So for this, go to AI forums, install the extension that is required for this part of the plugin to work, and also install wpForo on your site. Afterwards, you can create forum topics or forum replies. So for the topic creation, select the forum where you want to create topics. Insert a list of topic titles or keywords, one per line, so you can create here multiple topics, one per line, and this can be a keyword or the topic title that you want to create. So for example, if we want to create topics about WordPress plugins, I write here WordPress plugins. If we want to create topics about WordPress themes, we write here WordPress themes on a new line. Afterwards, click settings, and here in the topic title source, select fully AI generated titles instead of use the titles from the topic title list. So if you want to use these as keywords, then select here fully AI generated titles. If you want to use these as titles, then you need to select use titles from the topic title list. Afterwards, you will be able to set a prompt for the AI text generator and also for the title generator. So this is the prompt which creates the title. This is the prompt which creates the topic content. So you will be able to use these shortcodes here, the topic username, post title, and so on. And there will be multiple settings here. You can use AI assistants. AI assistants can be set up here, but this is optional. You can use also AI models, which is alternative to assistants. And you can set a language. If you want to set a language, simply write the language name here, and the plugin will cooperate. You can set a writing style, writing tone, but these are optional. These will be replaced by by these shortcodes. So writing style and writing tone will be replaced by the values that you set here. If you want to not use these, you can simply delete this part of the prompt. So simply like this, and save settings, and the writing style and writing tone will not be applied. Also, you can prepend text to all AI prompts. You can append text. You can automatically add links from your site to the topics. Also, you will have some advanced settings and other options which allow you to select, for example, the user which creates the topics. Their default is a random user. The user role for random user selection, you can select a user role here from where to select the random user. For example, if you want to select users which have a specific role, you can assign users which write automated replies to their specific role, to not write replies in name of real existing people, existing users from your site. So you can create some fake users and assign to a custom role, assign them to a custom role, and select that custom role here. Also, you can set the publish date for the created topics. And one more cool feature is that you can automatically add replies to these topics from here. You can set how many replies to add. You can set also ranges as like this. In this case, the plugin will select a random number from this range. And also you can set this prompt. This will help the AI to select a user in whose name it will reply. So sorry, I need to move my image here a bit. And also the topic generator, which will create the response for the topic. Okay, so we don't create a topic reply yet. I will use this feature now, and let's run this. So this will run automatically on schedule every 24 hours. You can set here 1 to run this every hour, and it will create one topic. You can set it also to 2 or 3 or as many as you wish. One important thing is that if you check the process each title topic only once, then each topic will be processed once and only once. If you uncheck this, each topic will be processed unlimited times. Okay, so we have this. We now run. We have to save here and run this rule now. This now generates our first topic in wpForo. Here we see what is happening in the background of the plugin. Currently it is creating a topic title for subject WordPress themes in English language. And after this is done, if you want, you can also select a faster model here, which will work faster. For example, GPT 4.1 mini will work faster and is also cheaper. So if you want, you can set the model which can be used here and here, and also here for the reply generator. And currently the forum topic, write a single natural sounding forum topic about block themes versus classic. So this is the title which the AI selected in English language. As you can see, we set this and set this to the AI, and it will soon create the topic for us. So topic generation can take from 1 to 10 minutes depending on the complexity and settings which you set in here. So this will create our first topic, and afterwards I can show you the results. So this created our first topic. Let's run this again to create also our second topic about WordPress themes. And while this is processing, let me show you the forum on the front end. And here it is, block themes versus classic. And this is the AI topic which was created. I have only a single user in this forum because of this. All responses will be created on my name, but I strongly recommend that you create lots and lots of users on your website, so the plugin will have from where to select the random users here, and like this the plugin will know from will use multiple users. Also, I recommend that you use a role selection for random users from here and assign all fake users to a specific role, so the plugin will not select real users to create topics and to reply to topics in their name, because this will annoy them and they will complain about this. So the second topic was created, and let me show it on my forum here. So here it is. What's your one must-have WordPress plugin that never breaks stuff? So this was about themes, and this is about plugins. Let me check this also. Okay, so now let me show you the second cool feature of the plugin is the topic reply creator. This will allow you to select a forum, and it will allow you to select strategies. So auto grow, auto unanswered, auto random, auto latest, oldest, most popular, least popular, most replied, least replied, oldest, no replies, latest, no replies. So this will allow the plugin to select strategies to which it will automatically create replies. So for example, let's say that the auto unanswered replies to unanswered topics. So if you want to not have any unanswered topics on your forum, you can use this strategy. You can click settings and tweak also the prompts here. If you want, this will select the user which will make the reply. This will create the topic, the reply, and also we have here more options. And let's save this, and this will automatically run every 24 hours as set here. So let's run this now manually, and this will select automatically an unanswered topic from these two topics that we have here. So on our testing forum we have two topics, and it will select a testing topic, one unanswered topic. So these are two topics, and this is still running. Let us wait here a bit for this to finish. It should not take, because this should not take more than a minute, as this only replies to the topic and does nothing else. It selects the user which should write the topic answer, and also creates the topic for answer for it. So creating one reply for topic ID 15. So the plugin selected the topic ID 15 for the reply to be created, and this, when will be finished, a new reply will be created for our topic ID 15. So let's wait this out. I might also speed up this a bit, or let's see how long this will take, but I hope this will not take very long. So let me talk until this finishes about these strategies. So autogrow spawns new replies in quiet topics. So quiet topics, this will allow the plugin to select topics which have fewer replies, which are not unanswered. So keep in mind, these are not unanswered topics but are quieter than other topics, and it grows these topics. Auto unanswered is the one that I'm running right now. This replies to only to unanswered topics, and if you don't have any unanswered topic on your forum, this will not do nothing. Auto random, this will completely randomly select a topic and create a reply for it. Auto latest replace to latest topics, to oldest topics, most popular topics, least popular topics, most reply topics, it will add another reply to it. Least reply topics, it will add another reply to it. Oldest, no replies, and latest, no replies. So you can create multiple strategies also. And so far we got the reply created. Let this run once again, so we see also the other which was not replied here. So now the plugin will reply to this one. So let's check the reply that it created. So here it is. This is a very long reply. Actually, yeah, it created a very long reply to this question. So keep in mind, you can customize the prompt. If you don't like the results that the plugin is creating, you can customize the AI topic reply generator, and you can add your prompt modifications as you wish here. Also, selecting a different model will greatly improve things here and will allow more different replies to be created. So keep in mind, aiomatic supports not only OpenAI but Anthropic Claude. It also supports many more AI providers. Check the AI settings from here, and you will be able to add your API keys to XAI, Anthropic, Google AI Studio, Perplexity, Grok, NVIDIA AI, OpenRouter, Hugging Face, or your own Ollama server. So go ahead and check this. So until now we got the second reply. So let's check also the second reply, which was created on the second forum here, forum topic, and here it is. The reply is once again created. So don't forget, tweak the prompt which creates the replies to make them different, and also you can create different strategies here. So if we run this again, we will get a yellow rhombus because no unanswered topics are there on our forum now. But if you select auto random, then it will go ahead and post another reply to a topic which is already replied. And other strategies can also be created. Select the forum, click save settings, and a new strategy will be created here. You can delete strategies from here. And there are also some cool features. Reply count to add to the topic. It adds one reply in one go, or you can set it to add a different number of replies. So 6 replies can be added to a single topic in one processing if you set this settings field. Also, maximum reply count for topics. If a topic has more than 5 replies, don't execute this anymore on it. So these are also some cool features for the plugin. So also user roles can be set here, which can be very useful for user selection. And yeah, basically this is the functionality of the plugin. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching. And if you have more ideas, let me know in the comments. This is all for today. Bye bye.